Touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Play my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
Ano naman? Tapos ko din tanaman mo na. May diligan na po. Pero malibig na po din, man, eh? Ha? Baka po sana malibig na, man, eh?
Kaya tayo din lang tayo TikTok.
Bota pa. At yan yung loko ka rin. Alulod na ka pa, ne? Naka 1 round ka rin.
Kaya makalima ka mo kita. Kaya bali, makalima ko mo.
Ang lima mo kayo, tutumbas siyang kain. Pulo ka rin.
Ito pa naman nakain ng kitang na akong panulong pagal.
Hindi ka ma?